Come on. Oh, you get mad.
Gotta get that out of your mouth, silly. Get that out of your mouth. Look at it breaking to little pieces.
How do you know?
It's just plastic.